Activision Blizzard logoActivision Blizzard, NASDAQ, Atvi, has recently received a number of price target changes and ratings updates. Activision Blizzard Inc, NASDAQ Atvi, traded down 3.85% on Friday, reaching $41.70. The company had a trading volume of 18,750,954 shares. The company has a market capitalization of $30.92 billion, a P/E ratio of 41.99, and a beta of 1.11. Activision Blizzard Inc has a 52-week low of $26.49 and a 52-week high of $45.55. The stock's 50-day moving average is $43.98, and its 200-day moving average is $40.48.